Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Premiere Bytes. This time we're going to talk about the presets properties like mentioned in the video before. To show you how the properties actually work, we're going to create a new transform presets just to be able to work with it for this tutorial. Let us just add the transform effect and then animate the scale property. So we've created a preset, and if you now double click on the preset properties window will open up. And here we can change the name, the type and the description of the properties, and I'll explain you quickly what the type actually means. If you go to Adobe's website, you will get this explanation. The link is also in the description of this video. But let's just have a look how this actually influences our keyframes. In short, the selection of the type will have an influence of how the keyframes of that preset will adjust to the new duration of a clip it's been applied to. Currently ours is set to scale. Let's just have a look how this will work on a longer clip. With the type scale selected, it should scale the keyframes proportionally to the new clip's duration. And if we have a look, you can see that the keyframes are now adjusted to the duration of the new clip. Let's just remove the effect, and if we double click on our preset, we can change the type again, and let's change it to anchor to endpoint. This type is pretty useful if your effect should start at the beginning of a clip, or if your keyframes should start at the beginning of the clip. What it does, it will add the effect and adjust the keyframes proportionally from the beginning of the clip. And as you can see here now, it starts at the beginning of the clip, and then 1 second later there's our next keyframe. So if anchor to endpoint is good for effects keyframes starting from the endpoint, then anchor to outpoint is obviously the opposite. So swapping the type now to anchor to outpoint, I think you can guess what this is good for. So what it did here, it used the outpoint of our new clip, placed the last keyframe of the effects preset there, and then with regards to the duration of the new clip, set the first keyframe a second earlier. So just keep in mind, this only affects your effects presets if you have keyframes applied to your effects preset. If you don't have any keyframes in there, then you don't have to worry about it. And the field of description is pretty self-explaining. I mean, just drop a note there for your future self. Thank you very much for tuning in. This was a little bit longer than the previous videos. I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. Leave a comment, leave a like, tell everyone about these tutorials, and tune in the next time for Premiere Bytes. Thank you very much.